Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2006 Suzuki SV650S. This V-twin fuel-injected sport bike just arrived with only 5,000 miles. Brand new tires, awesome sounding Yoshimura exhaust, and this one has the full fairing installed. Striking metallic blue paint scheme, engine guards, low miles, and brand new tires. What more do you want? Come on by. Oh, this bike has also been lowered, so you shorter inseam riders can get yourself a badass V-twin sport bike that's easy to handle, low seat height. Come on by, pick it up for only $46.99. This bike's not going to be here long. We have financing available. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.